Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02296 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL query. So now I am going to create one table. So I am going to create one table called employees file. So having some field employee number. So employee number. So that will be the primary key. Name varchar 2. That's it. So table created successfully. So now I am inserting some records to the table. I am inserting records to employees file table. Okay, one row is created. So I am setting another row. So there are null entries for the name field. Okay, there are some null entries for the name column. Okay, let me select the table. Select star from employees file. Okay, employee number having value, but name column having null values. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am trying to alter the table, modify the column name, and I am specifying not null to that column. Okay, what happened? ORA-02296 cannot enable null values found. Okay, so you can see null values are there in name column. So I am correcting the table now. Okay, so I am deleting all the records with the null values. Now once again I am executing the query. Now you can see that ORA-02296 issue is got fixed, and alter table, modify name not null, executed successfully.